Welcome to our foundation repair project in Justin, Texas. As we move to the repair site, our team begins the crucial task of digging to install concrete piers, ensuring the foundation's stability. Now, we're unloading the hydraulic pump. This essential tool will help us install the concrete press piers accurately. Watch Guajama and Mica in action, unloading concrete cylinders. These are crucial components of the foundation repair process. Here's Carmelo installing a concrete press pier. Notice the precision and care taken in every step. A close-up of the hydraulic pump at work. This is what precision in foundation repair looks like. Guajama is now installing the top cap. This is a vital part of ensuring the piers are securely in place. Julio is up next, bringing in bottle jacks to set up on the top caps, a key step in aligning the foundation. A glimpse of the pier with its top cap and bottle jack, ready to lift and stabilize the foundation. Here's an overview of the entire working area. Our team's dedication and expertise are evident in every detail. Notice the level of the house was at 2.7. Precision is key in foundation repair. After our intervention, the level is now at an optimal 0.3. This is the kind of precision our team delivers. Here's the finished pier, clearly showing the 2.4 inches lift. Covering the holes is next. It's important to leave the site looking as good as, if not better than, we found it. Julio ensures the soil is properly packed down. Even the concrete areas we had to work on are perfectly patched. As we show you the final results, notice how everything looks pristine, as if we were never there. That's the mark of professional foundation repair. If you found this video informative and interesting, please give us a like and follow our channel for more professional insights into foundation repair. Remember, a strong foundation means a safe home.